Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the JOYMOOP brand. They're 10 inches by 10 inches wide microfiber cleaning cloths. They're absorbent and streak-free, lint-free, reusable and washable. It's an 18 pack with 3 different colors. You got this nice blue, green, and a mauve pink color right here. These are ultra soft. They're made with 85% polyester and 50% polyamide, which is nylon fiber. And these get better with time because the nylon is absorptive, but as you wash them 3 or 4 times, they'll get even more absorptive on here. These are excellent. I've been using these when I wash dishes now. I always normally use the sponge, but now I realize it's not a good thing. It gets bacteria. This doesn't hold bacteria in it. And let me just show you what it looks like. It's a nice pattern on there, and it has just enough resistance and scrapability to clean a pan, and you can use it on all your non-stick pans. It won't scratch them. Really nice. And you can wring it out, and you could hand wash it if you want to put it in the wash. I would air dry it. I would avoid putting high temperature to dry it, but it's stitched really nice on the edges. Has stitching on both sides. Then it has a loop stitch on there, so that if you wring this out, it actually will stay intact really nicely. So I'm familiar with this product. Been using them now for a year, and my wife likes them also. And when they get a little dirty, you just put them in the wash. And you have so many in this package here that you don't have to worry about them going bad, wearing out, because you have enough here. So this pack has lasted us about two and a half years. So that's a really good value to think about it, because you can wash these and reuse these hundreds of times. You don't have to worry about it. These can also be used anytime you want to clean something. These are soft enough. What I like to do is I reserve a couple of them to wipe my computer monitors, and I don't use it for dishes. And you could do it dry, or you can wring it out and have it just damp, or take a spray bottle and put a little water on there, or a little alcohol. These work great for that also, so it's not just for dishes. You can also use this on your counter to wipe the counter down. I've got granite counters. I'm going to show that, but it's really a good product. I think you'll like it. This product also gets great ratings on Amazon. So instead of using a sponge, you're much better off using this product. It works better. It doesn't leave any residue. It's not going to mold up like a sponge will. So it's excellent for wiping counters down. And it's excellent for doing dishes. Just put a little soap on there. And it's got just the right amount of abrasiveness to clean a dish. And when you're done, you could wring it out. And you can really do a really good wringing, and then this is nice and dry and ready for you to use the next time. Just hang it up to dry and you're all set. So what do I think about the JOYMOOP brand? They're 10 inches by 10 inches microfiber cleaning. This is 18 pack, 3 different colors. This is a great value. These work nicely. They're going to last you for years. Soft, yet they're absorbent. This is a cool product. My wife likes them also. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links for this product in the information section of this video. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.